Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video I'm going to talk about what I feel like is the best gimbal accessory of 2018, and that is the Transmount by Zhiyun. This tiny quick release is such a game changer. So we have it already here mounted on the smooth 4, so we can quickly remove the feet under here and also put it back on. So the feet, normally we need to untwist them, and it takes such a long time to remove it. So that's untwisting them and then twisting them back on. It's always such a hassle. So under here we have Transmount. The main thing is there's a ring around it. Pull that down and we can just remove it. Such a quick way to move it. So actually let's remove the entire Transmount to show you guys how it looks. So it's this tiny little quick release. This tiny one, such a impressive design. It's like, put it back on here, and literally I feel like you need to buy multiple of these. When you literally bought one of them, you feel like you really need to have multiple. So we can actually move this feet under here and put it on top of here, and it's such a quick way to do it instead of untwisting the feet and then twisting it back onto it. Such a fast way to do this. And also put it back under it. And of course it's not only for the small tripod feet. You can also grab like a proper monopod from Tsuen, and here we have also the mount on it, and we can actually transfer the Zhiyun wheel onto the monopod, and now we can get that high angle shot and actually get that fake drone shot. And of course you can also mount this quick release onto a tripod, so you can quickly put it onto a big tripod. And really you probably want to buy multiple of these Transmounts so you can actually quickly swap all kinds of accessories, like at the L bracket or at any other accessories on the bottom, on this back section. And literally it's such a game changer. So literally it is not only for the wheel. You can put it on the smooth 4, crane 3, crane 2, the other cranes, pretty much on any of the gimbals you can add this quick release, and it's such a really useful tool. So that was my opinion about the best gimbal accessory of 2018. If you have any other accessory that you think is better than this, please comment below. And yeah, that was mainly it. So if you guys really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.